Hello my airsoft friends. In this video I play as a sniper. The game is played on the location of an abandoned camp surrounded by a forest. Right now we are taking positions in one of the buildings to counter the enemy's attack. "25 minutes of waiting for the enemy to attack forced me to more dynamic actions, and I decided to bypass the enemy on the edge of the game territory to get to the rear. So my adventures are just beginning." Going behind enemy lines turned out to be a great idea, and I was able to single-handedly cause trouble for the enemy. If you agree with this, support me by subscribing to my channel because I have a lot more cool stuff in my arsenal. See you on my YouTube channel next Friday. Bye.